Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? Good one for you today. So let's talk about deadbeat bidders on OpenSea and how you can avoid getting hit with a deadbeat bid. So what I'm talking about specifically is when you get an offer on an NFT that you own and then you have to accept the offer. Now, if you're not careful, you can end up getting burning a ton of ETH fees, and then the stupid thing reverts and crashes and the bid doesn't go through. So why is that? Well, let's take a look and I'll show you how to avoid deadbeat bidders on OpenSea. So first, you take an NFT that you have an offer for, you click on it. As you can see, I have an offer for WETH on this specific NFT. So what you do is you click on the from, and then it will load the person that placed a bid. Then you copy their address, then you go over to Etherscan and you put in their address. Okay? And then, this is the most important part, you verify that that person has enough of whatever they're offering in their wallet. Okay? So this is the important point. Whatever the person bid, so let's go back, 0.1181 WETH. I go and I click this and it shows me this person's wallet. This person has 1.399 WETH. If this person did not have enough funds, I would go through the accept offer. So I'd hit accept and I'd pay my ETH fees, and then it would crash and then I would get wrecked, and then no refunds. You just lost those ETH fees. So that's it. That's my tip for avoiding deadbeat bidders on OpenSea. Hope you enjoyed it. As always, like, subscribe. This is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.